India's largest mutual fund backed SBI Magnum Hybrid Long Short Fund has crossed 1,140 crore AUM in just its first month. But what's more interesting is how the portfolio is positioned today to have a clear focus on stable returns. This has been achieved by balance between equity, debt, and hedged positions. Let's break down the October fact sheet. Who should consider this fund? This fund is ideal for investors who want stability with consistency, especially those looking for a smoother, low volatility experience while still earning steady, predictable income through collar option strategy. It works well for people who want consistent income, retirees seeking stability and controlled drawdowns, investors who prefer disciplined, risk-managed hybrid strategies. An additional benefit is the tax efficiency. Because this fund qualifies for equity taxation, gains held for more than 12 months are taxed at 12.5% instead of your applicable income tax slab. This makes it far more attractive than traditional fixed income products like FDs, where returns are taxed at your applicable slab rate and TDS reduces compounding year after year. What this fund does? SBI Magnum Hybrid Long Short Fund generates its returns through collar option strategy. Here is how it works. A collar strategy means 1. The fund buys the equity. 2. It sells a call option to earn premium. 3. It buys a put option to protect the downside. This creates a defined return band, limited upside, controlled downside, and much lower volatility. If you want to understand the collar strategy in complete detail, we have made a dedicated breakdown video. Click the button above or find the full video link in the description. Portfolio allocation 1. Equity allocation 62.39%. All equity positions are paired with a collar strategy, keeping net exposure disciplined. The equity book is dominated by large caps. 2. Debt allocation high quality 17.84% plus 8.78% sovereign. The debt is split between AAA rated corporate bonds and treasury bills. Cash and cash equivalents are 10.99% of the portfolio. If you want help understanding whether this SIF fits your allocation, you can WhatsApp on 92055-23100 or email us at sifinsights@gmail.com. The link's in the description.